Sports Arena tonight. We're gonna watch the championship game of Petrogas versus Creamline. I'm with my pamangkin and inaanak, Jada. Hi, guys. And attorney Lian. Hi.
It is.
No traffic on a Saturday. So this is what we normally do when we are in the car. Karaoke!
How do you not know this song?
Wala ba yung generation ko? Siyempre di ko sa ulo yan.
Ano to? Paano ito magkakaroon? Wait lang kasi!
Ganyan yung mga bata ngayon. Ito na po ang mga titas of Manila ngayon. Kailangan meron na pong inhaler. Can we have like a fun song? What's your playlist?
There's a boyfriend eh.
I don't have a boyfriend. I wish I had a boyfriend.
New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that will last forever. Nagbago ng lahat sa'yo. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Siyempre, mas masaya ang panonood ng championship game habang may kinakain. Well, habang busy ang mga volleyball players mag-warm up, kami naman busy sa pagkain. Medyo matagal bago nagsimula pero worth the wait nang pinatay na yung ilaw. Boogs! Excited na mga fans. According to reports more than 10,000 fans ang in attendance sa PhilSports Arena to watch the championship game. Pinabukas sa audience yung ilaw ng mga cellphone. Ang ganda ng effect, napaka-dramatic and for the aesthetic ang peg. Medyo goosebumps yung call-out ng mga players. Ang ganda ng production. Tapos ang lakas ng sigawan ng mga fans pag tinatawag yung mga favorite athletes nila.
Ito pala yung finals nito. Lala. Intense! Call out pala.
With the sandwich sandwich.
Ayan, mag-start na yung game.
So, do or die game na yun.
Game 2 of the finals.
Muscular, nakaka-tense.
Okay, so after 4 sets, hinirang na champion ng Petrogas Angels. Ito ang kanilang first ever PVL All-Filipino title. Historic win for the team. Congratulations, Petrogas! Well, just like in any other sports event, may masayang uuwi at meron ding medyo malungkot. Katulad nito ni Jada, mapait man ang pagkatalo, masarap naman daw ang dinner namin tonight. Ngayon, tatanungin natin si Jada na isang volleyball varsity player ng Pisay, ano naman ang masasabi niya?
Anong analysis mo sa game? They had good quicks though. The quicks were so good. They were so good. But the first balls were so bad. No offense.
Well, win or lose, it is the fun and thrill of watching the game that matters. Therapeutic actually yung panonood ng games. Especially if you watch with sports enthusiasts para may analysis pa kayo after the game over dinner. Kayo, anong way nyo to relax and distress? Comment nyo naman, baka pwede nating itry sa next vlog. Again, this is Diane Querer saying that we only have one life to live, so make sure to make it count. Yan ang itsura ng busog na gusto ng matulog. See you on the next vlog!